demonstrating the product setup for the jet drum sander with stand. Be sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions, unpacking tips, and cleanup prior to assembly. Once you have the tools required, you're ready to get started. Begin by assembling the legs to the outside of the short rails using the carriage bolts and flanged lock nuts. Next, assemble the long rail on the inside of the legs and the top of the short rails. Be sure to only hand tighten the bolts at this point to ensure easier adjustments later. Turn the stand upside down and install the shelf onto the legs using the carriage bolts and lock nuts. Now, you can fully tighten all flanged lock nuts in the shelf and legs and insert the leveling foot into the bottom hole of the leg with flat washers and hex nut. Turn the stand right side up and push down on it to settle it. At this point, you can tighten all flanged lock nuts on the stand. Lift the drum head assembly and rest it crosswise on the stand. We recommend that you use an assistant to help lift the sander. Install the height adjustment handle and tighten the set screw. Rotate the height adjustment handle counterclockwise to raise the drum and free the wood support block. Position the sander on top of the stand so that the 4 threaded holes of the base align with the holes in the stand rails. Fasten the base to the stand with the 4 screws and washers previously removed from the plywood boards. Once complete, the last step is to tighten all the screws securely. It is strongly recommended that a dust collection system be connected to help keep the shop clean as well as prevent potential health hazards due to airborne wood dust. If you have any questions, please consult your instruction manual. Any additional servicing to your jet drum sander should be performed by an authorized service technician at one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states. Don't forget that each jet tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.